Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or disable the special style from the Tekken 8 game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you start your Tekken 8 game for the first time, you will be asked whether you would like to turn on the special style or you would like to play as the classic Tekken player. Now, no matter what option you choose within the starting, you will be told that you can turn this on or off at any time later on while you are playing the game. So when your match starts, if you look at the bottom left corner, you will see the button that is used to turn on or turn off the special style. Within your keyboard, it is the O button, which you can tap in order to immediately activate or deactivate the special style. This will now show you all of the specialty moves that you can use with your character. You can tap on this button in order to turn it on or off at any time within your game. And when it is on, you will see the menu displayed within your fighting corner for the various different commands that you can use within the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on and turn off the special mode within the Tekken 8 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.